Hello guys and welcome back to Toolbox tutorial. Today we're gonna do some easy blur effect tutorial for stunning visuals. So for example, we wanna do some Instagram story post or Instagram reels. We open templates. We start with the blank. So okay, let's use some elements. Maybe you have photo, you can use our uploads. For this purpose, we're gonna use some stock image. So let's choose from okay. See all what we can use. Okay, yes, let's use Liberty. We size it to match the screen. Okay, we make copy of it, line it again, and we edit it. Press edit, press blur, whole image, and let's choose 40. Close it. Now you can resize it, and as you can see, you have blur image. You can add text elements. You can add headings and let's do some text. So let's say USA. For example, let's expand it a little bit. Let's add some effects. Let's make it 0 and we can thicken it a little bit. All right, let's choose color. Make it white. And as you can see, you have picture. Let's add another one. So again, let's take an element. Let's add Eiffel Tower. Let's expand it a little bit. And again, same principle. We copy it, we paste it, align it, size it a little bit, edit the image, again blur, add intensity 40, close it, and again you have this one. To save some time, you can just copy this one, paste it here, and rename it like Paris, for example. Again, let's add the picture, let's expand it, again copy it, align it, put it a little bit, let's do it maybe here, again edit, blur, density 40 or as much as you like, close it, and you have blur. Again, you can copy this one, paste here, and type it for longer terms. You can expand this one, lower it a little bit, expand it. So is the full text. Place it here, and let's make 1 second, 1.2 second, 1.2 second, and here you go. So for example, add transition, match and move, apply between all pages, and in the end, you have video like this. So I hope you learned something.